How to be a Jamaican? To be a Jamaican is not something normal. You have to master the art of dissing people. If you can't do that, you can't be a Jamaican, brother. Check this out.
Suck them mother 95 times. Suck them mother 100 times. Suck them mother 200 times. Suck them mother 300, 400, 500 times. Go suck your mother.
In order to be a Jamaican, you have to also be suicidal. You have to kill yourself 3 times and still live.
No, you say so. The Lord is my shepherd and I can let you walk.
You're so bad, yo.
Oi, oi! Oi, oi! I wish you
Being a Jamaican means you have to do it anywhere in the world you go. You have to know how to get in the spotlight and entertain people, even if it means that you have to break your bones. Subscribe to our channel to get similar uploads and other trending videos in Jamaica.